Before we get started with the vlog, let me just show you this. So maraming salamat kay Josh tsaka Alexia's Kitchenette for this amazing food platter. Guys, meron tayong squid, meron tayong tilapia, meron tayong manok, we have liempo, we have shrimp, we have crab. We even have like mussels and clams. So it's a really nice spread. If you guys want to know more about this, I'll link it down below to the Facebook or Instagram of Kitchenette's Kitchen. But Josh, maraming salamat. We appreciate you. And with that said, guys, let's dig in and then let's keep on going with the vlog. Wow! Okay, so we're heading down the YouTube studio so we can unbox a robot speaker para sa inyo. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. You have to check it out. Let's go! Pakita ko lang sa inyo before we unbox it. So this is it. This is the ProMate alien-looking speaker. Oh. And it looks like this. Oh. So it looks like some sort of robot that stands on your desk. So we'll unbox it, check it out, and then test it and see if it's worth buying or not. Okay, let's do it to it. Pasensya na for the messy hair. As usual, this is my just woke up look. So as you guys can see, this is the ProMate alien speakers. So let's pop it open. You know what? It looks like one of those crawler robotic alien things that fire lasers, and you know, it actually looks like it has some sort of laser cannon here at the top. But man, this looks insane. So anyway, the controls are here at the back. You have the power button, you have reset, you have lights, there's a 3.5mm audio jack, and then you have a USB-C for charging this bad boy. So let's turn it on for the first time. Pressing the power, woo, it lights up. So whoa, that is crazy bass. I don't know if you guys heard that, but yeah. So there are LED lights which you can find here at the front, at the bottom, and as well as here along the side. Now let's try to pair it with my phone. ProMate Invader. So that's the official name. The name of this is what? Good friends from Seoul Republic. So Seoul Republic is a sneaker reseller shop. We have 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Okay, so we were able to get a feel for the sound quality of the speakers. They're very bass heavy, so the bass enhancement which they're talking about is definitely there, but you can actually control it with the bass knob that you find over here at the back. So if you are into heavy bass sounds, hip-hop, you know, electronic dance music, then or R&B, then this can probably be something for you. But apart from that, it is also like a fun, you know, set of speakers to have on your desk. Kunyari, you want like a futuristic vibe or look to your work from home station, I think this one just fits the bill really well. It's very unique. It's a nice, how do you call this, conversation starter when people actually are allowed to visit us again and we're actually able to see people again because, you know, the pandemic is over. By the way, in terms of volume, this cannon over here is apparently the volume knob, and this can be really loud, as in super lakas ng volume. So if apart from looking cool, if you want speakers that have, you know, good bass, loud power behind it, man, this is a surprise, to be honest. I'm really surprised with this one. I thought that would be 100% gimmicky and the sound quality would be trash. But overall, in terms of the entire package, from the vibe, the look, the quality, the volume, the bass, I'm kind of impressed. Okay, now speaking of invaders, so this is the ProMate Invader. Let me just take a few minutes of your time to talk about the invader of the West Philippine Sea, of course, which are the, you know, the militia vessels of China. So I just want to give a quick shout out to Shara Zambrano of ABS-CBN. I know some of you find it political na si Shara is from ABS and stuff like that, but we do come from the same school. I know her personally, and I just want to thank her for doing what she did, and I just want to express gratitude na okay siya at hindi siya nasaktan at hindi na sabugan ng missile ang ship nila na nandun, no? We're just trying to report on the situation. So in no uncertain terms or in no clearer terms, if to sum up how I feel about the situation over the West Philippine Sea, I can capture it in 4 letters that I can direct to the invaders who are there. GTFO. Google nyo na lang kung ano ibig sabihin nun. But to the people there who are not supposed to be there, to the invaders who are there, like this really cute promate invader. Cute mo naman. GTFO. So we're back here in my home office, primarily because meron pala akong talk. So I'm supposed to give a talk to a bunch of students from Ateneo, I think. So they asked me to do a quick talk, 30-minute talk on digital marketing. So my topic, I made some changes. I'm calling it 7 to 1 life, opportunity plus passion plus purpose. Di ba nga kasi what we do, you try to find something that you love, that you're good at, that can make money, and you'll always feel much more fulfilled and satisfied with what you do. So yun yung pag-uusapan natin, yun yung magiging topic natin in a bit. So I think the talk is at 3:45. It's almost 3 p.m. So I'll just work on the slides. And then yun, kita-kits tayo in a bit dun sa road trip with the wife. Rumfold, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog, Rumfold. So my talk just finished, guys. Let's go. For our sneakers of the day, let's go with this Yeezy 700 V2 Static. Wow, ganda pa rin talaga. By the way, guys, our EDC side bag in collaboration with Volve Manila is dropping April 30. So abangan niyo yan. So it's a really nice side bag, perfect for all of your essentials with my peace, God bless, what's up, boom, icons at the bottom. Sobrang panalo nito. So abangan niyo yan. This is dropping April 30. So yun, we're here in our road trip. Bumili lang kami na siomai from Chowking, diba? Tsaka Coke Zero. Babe, kaway ka naman. So babe, meron kang bagong episode up right now, diba? Baka gusto mo plug.
Oo, naku, fitness ang pag-uusapan. So kung sobrang ngawit na yung likod ninyo, ayan, and yung posture natin mali-mali na dahil dito sa work from home, i-discuss yan ni Jacob Alava, isang fitness coach, guru, ano ba? YouTuber pa. Ayan, para may top 3 exercises siya. And also, i-connect natin how it helps yung productivity natin habang nagtatrabaho. Kasi matagal-tagal pa tong work from home, guys. So, itong mga ganitong tips, ayan, we enjoy sharing them with you. Please watch Kasenso, Gerard, and Mitch.
Okay, link down below. Check it out, guys. So, before we end, babe, meron tayong question of the day na itanong mo kay Mrs. na sa tingin ko, very important. Paano po kung meron akong kamag-anak na ayaw magpa-vaccine sa family? Ano po ba dapat gawin ko?
Well, I think the first thing talaga to know is it's a choice. So ayaw naman natin, syempre pag may ituturok sa atin, it's our choice whether we want those things in our body or not. So, I think we should know na meron talaga mga kamag-anak na may sariling mga view.
Na ayaw.
So, irespeto muna natin yon. And then, of course, so in short, wag tayo magpadala sa takot. Kasi, minsan pag takot tayo, we say hurtful words and really, it's their choice. Pero, second naman, dahil alam naman natin scientifically backed ang mga bakuna, there's so many materials on it, there's so many talks, yung mga doktor mismo, they're going in the front lines to really talk about these things. Educate din natin ang isa't isa. Let's have that conversation. Let's educate ourselves first and then know the resources that we should look at and really study para ma-share natin to dun sa mga medyo may agam-agam pa whether they want to be vaccinated or not.
But ultimately, it's their choice talaga.
It's their choice, pero let's help them make informed choices.
Correct.
Now, at the end of the day, kung informed na sila and medyo kabado pa sila, then by all means, respeto na lang natin yung decision na yun. Pero let's lead them towards good resources, credible resources. And talagang yung kung hanggat sa kaya natin, kung pati doktor, bring them into the discussion para meron talagang scientific basis. Kasi minsan, chika-chika lang kung bakit ayaw diba? I mean, nakakarinig sila ng mga bagay na not necessarily data-backed. And sa ganitong pandemya, importante ang impormasyon na makuha natin sa tamang lugar at pag-usapan talaga natin.
Yun, and I think the word of the day for that one is really, one, respecting their decision, di ba? Tapos two, informed choice. I think yung sinabi ni Mrs. is one of the fairest things ever. Di ba? Wala siyang bias, pero malinaw. Pero, syempre, gusto ko rin namang respetuhin yung mga taong may ayaw, pero Pa-vaccine na kayo. Yan, di ba? Very, very politically correct. Ako hindi ako politically correct.
Ako salamat talaga sa Healthcare Professionals Alliance Against COVID-19. HPAC, may Facebook page sila. There's so much information there. Sila yung mga doktor galing PGH, super scientifically backed lahat ng mga sinasabi nilang impormasyon. And they are reaching out. So let's take advantage of that kasi I'm sure before baka bago ka magka-access sa doktor, ang dami mo pang kailangan gawin. Pero ngayon, they're all there. Let's listen to the ones na may credibility talaga. At saka huwag tayo masyado papadala sa mga sabi-sabi lang, di ba? Mahirap
kaya,
yan.
alam mo, I guess, yung pinakamalakalagang pa namin sabihin kami dalawa ni Mrs. At the soonest possible time, papavaccine kami.
Yes.
Oh,
And
diba?
we've gone through that entire process and we need this additional layer of protection.
Amen.
At the end of the day, that's what a vaccine is. So, let's be informed.
Yun! Okay guys, and with that said, don't forget to subscribe.
Kasi yan sa with Gerard and Mitch.
Yun, and with that said, this has been Carlo. Ito na yung vlog ko for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed as usual. Peace, God bless. What's up? Ikaw mag-boom.